Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10 and let me share with you how to check serial number of this device. So basically this operation is quite easy. All you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom. That was of course a misclick. And so to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on advanced and enter About Tablet. Now all we have to do is to simply enter model and hardware, and as you can see in this pop-up view, we've got the serial number of this device. So actually this is it. This is how to check serial number in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.